Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about ways to practice easy dialogue in English when you're shopping. Let's get started. When you enter a store, you want to start your conversation politely. Let's practice with some dialogue. We'll start with the customer, and then the store associate will answer. Customer: Hi. Hello, can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for this t-shirt. Sure, what size do you need? Medium, please. Right this way. Sometimes you may have to ask for a price of an item. It may not be clearly marked on the tag of the item. Customer: How much is this t-shirt? It's $15. Do you have it in green? Yes, we do. Here you go. Great, I'll take it. Now comes the part where you're ready to pay for your item. We'll start this conversation with the store associate. Store associate: Would you like to pay with cash or card? Card, please. Please enter your card. Thank you, and have a nice day. Thanks, you too. Your conversation could be a little more involved, but these are some basic things that usually happen when you're getting ready to pay for your item. Now it's time for you to practice. Here are some useful phrases when shopping. You can repeat after me as we go through each line. Can you help me? I'm looking for. How much is it? Do you have it in blue or size large? I'll take it. Cash or card? So let's review. We talked about some simple phrases that you could use when you're shopping. You could practice these phrases with a partner or by yourself in a mirror. Comment below, what is your favorite thing to shop for? You did a great job today. Remember, practice makes progress. Keep going. See you next time.